I'm going to start by addressing a concern that many of us with color-treated hair can relate to: fading, dryness, and breakage. If you're struggling to maintain the vibrancy of your color while keeping your hair healthy and shiny, you're not alone. So today, let's talk about a product designed to tackle exactly that: Surface Hair's Trinity Color Care Leave-In Conditioner. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. All right, let's get into it. This leave-in conditioner promises quite a bit for color-treated hair. First off, it helps reinforce strands, restores elasticity, prevents breakage, and adds that much-needed shine. Sounds like a lot of promises, right? But the big question is, does it deliver? Now, when we're talking about hair care, especially for color-treated hair, we want products that not only hydrate, but also protect the color and prevent any damage. This product claims to do all of that while also giving your hair a boost of volume. Pretty impressive for just a leave-in conditioner, right? The key ingredient here is amaranth, which brings both nourishment and a subtle, fresh scent. Amaranth is packed with amino acids, which can help restore strength and elasticity to your strands. So, if your hair has been feeling a bit brittle after multiple color treatments, this could be a game changer. Plus, it's sulfate-free, which means it's not stripping your hair of its natural oils or the precious color you've worked so hard to maintain. When I first tested this out, I was curious about how easily it would fit into my routine, and I have to say, it was a breeze. The product itself has a smooth texture that wasn't too heavy, which I appreciated. Applying it to damp hair was simple, and the best part? No rinsing required. I also loved the subtle, fresh amaranth scent that lingered without being overwhelming. I used this conditioner over the course of a few days, and I was really impressed by how it made my hair feel. My strands were soft to the touch, but also had a noticeable shine. Plus, I didn't experience any buildup, which is a huge bonus for any leave-in product. Let's talk about performance. After using this, my hair felt incredibly nourished. I was especially impressed with how smooth it made my hair without weighing it down. When it comes to volume, I noticed a slight lift, which is always a plus. However, if you're looking for extreme volume, this might not be the product for you. It definitely adds a subtle fullness, but don't expect it to replace a volumizing mousse or root lifter. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the leave-in conditioner definitely delivers on hydration, color protection, and overall smoothness. The fact that it's sulfate-free is a major win for anyone with color-treated hair. Plus, the amaranth scent is a nice touch. On the con side, while it adds some volume, it's not a product that's going to give you dramatic lift. If you're after more intense volume, you might need to pair this with another product. Also, the size, 4 fluid ounces, is a bit on the smaller side, especially for the price point. If you're using it every day, it might run out faster than you'd like. So, is it worth the money? If you're someone with color-treated hair looking for a leave-in that does more than just condition, this could be a great investment. It provides hydration, helps protect color, and adds a beautiful shine. However, if you're looking for something that packs a punch in terms of volume, you may need to look elsewhere for a more specialized product. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The bottle is easy to use, and the nozzle dispenses just the right amount of product, so there's no waste. Plus, it's lightweight, so it won't take up too much space on your vanity or in your travel bag. Before I wrap things up, let me ask you, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer service, I didn't have a direct experience with Surface Hair's support, but based on my research, their reputation for customer service is solid. They're known for being responsive and helpful if any issues arise, which is always reassuring when you're purchasing a premium product. Now, if you're looking for more affordable alternatives, there are definitely some options out there. Some drugstore brands have leave-in conditioners with similar benefits, like color protection and hydration, but you might not get the same level of luxury or performance that Surface Hair delivers. But if you're on a budget, It's worth checking out some options from brands like Pantene or L'Oreal, which offer sulfate-free formulas at a more accessible price point. So, after testing it out, my final verdict is that the Surface Hair Trinity Color Care Leave-In Conditioner lives up to its claims when it comes to protecting color and adding shine. It's a solid choice for anyone with color-treated hair who wants to keep their strands healthy without compromising on vibrancy. If you're willing to invest in your hair care, I think this is a great option. However, if you're after dramatic volume or a budget-friendly alternative, there may be other products that better suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.